Most contractors lose jobs before they even start the work. Not because they're too expensive, but because their quotes are slow, confusing, or difficult for customers to approve. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best quoting software can help you win more jobs without spending $1 on extra marketing. In this video you'll discover the best quoting software for contractors in 2026, who each platform is best for, and how to choose the right solution for your business. Whether you're a plumber, electrician, HVAC contractor, roofer, or general contractor, this guide will help you make a smarter decision. Let's start with one of the biggest names in the industry, ServiceTitan. ServiceTitan offers powerful estimating and quoting tools designed for larger service businesses. You can create professional estimates, present multiple options to customers, track approvals, and connect everything directly to scheduling and invoicing. For example, if Alex runs a growing HVAC company with multiple technicians, ServiceTitan can streamline the entire sales process, from estimate to payment. But here's the problem. Not every contractor needs enterprise-level software. Many small businesses end up paying for features they'll never use. That's where Housecall Pro comes in. Housecall Pro makes creating and sending quotes simple. Contractors can build estimates quickly, send them digitally, and allow customers to approve them online. For Jake, who owns a small plumbing company, that means less paperwork and faster approvals. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jobber continues to be one of the strongest options for service-based contractors. Its quoting system is easy to learn, mobile-friendly, and works especially well for businesses that provide recurring services. Customers can review and approve quotes online, helping move jobs forward faster. In a minute, I'll show you the option many growing contractors overlook. That option is FieldPulse. FieldPulse combines quoting, customer management, scheduling, and invoicing into a single platform. Many contractors like it because it balances affordability with practical features. It can be a great fit for businesses that are growing but don't want the complexity of larger systems. This is where most people fail. They focus only on creating estimates. The real goal is converting estimates into paying jobs. That's why approval tracking, digital signatures, automated follow-ups, and professional quote presentation matter so much. A customer who receives a clean, easy-to-approve quote is more likely to move forward. Another strong contender is Contractor Foreman. It offers robust estimating capabilities alongside project management tools, making it particularly useful for construction and renovation businesses. So which software is best? For large operations, ServiceTitan is often the strongest choice. For small service contractors, Housecall Pro delivers excellent value. Jobber remains a favorite for recurring service businesses. FieldPulse offers strong all-around functionality. And Contractor Foreman is worth considering for project-based contractors. The best quoting software is the one that helps you create estimates quickly and turn more of them into revenue. If this video helped you find the right quoting software for 2026, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing which platform you're considering for your business.